Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome to the Bag Hag Digest. Hello beautiful bag lovers, Trina back to you again for another video. Today I'm sporting my lovely Rebecca Minkoff swing bag. Been really enjoying this one. And I'm going to share with you today something outside of the bag, which is the unboxing of my beautiful Look Fantastic subscription box. I'm really enjoying these things. However, I have 6 boxes in total, and what I'll do is give you a follow through on any products that I've, because I will have tried most of them, any products that I feel are worth at least my consideration for buying retail, and share with you that information. So when you open up your beauty box, first thing on the top is your Elle magazine subscription and the beauty lookbook containing information about what's in your box and a few other general brand information things. So had a look through this, very nice. One of the reasons I chose to subscribe to Look Fantastic was because A, they ship to Asia, not many companies do, and B, they had an English language magazine, which I was hoping to be getting a lot more reads out of. But in fact, I'm finding it a bit, I don't know, most of it's ads, it's a bit fluffy. So, you know, I have a quick flip through these things and I just pass them on to my students. I think they enjoy them more than I do. So that's the first thing. Then when you open up here at the top, first thing we get is some Molton Brown, I think this is a shower gel or a bath gel. And yeah, I'll definitely use this. Usually in the shower, I don't use any products other than shampoo and conditioner. I just use that as soap suds and maybe a scrub or something. But I really enjoyed gels. Actually, like the Body Shop used to have this really good mango one. I'm not familiar with Molton Brown. I assume that they're, yeah, it says London, so they're a British company. I've never tried this company's products before, so looking forward to that. Next we have yet another face wash. Now this would be the 4th face wash product that we get from this Look Fantastic box. So that's a lot of face washes, I think. And to me, I don't know, I haven't found them one superior to the other yet, but these are really good for travel, so I will use it. If I find anything outstanding, I'll let you know. And next we have this product for your eyebrows, and I have 2 eyebrow pencils that I use. I find that since from the age of about 45, I have actually not needed to, but wanted to use eyebrow products. Until the age of 45, honestly, I never put anything on my eyebrows. Wasn't my thing. My eyebrows are fine. I did pluck them and stuff, but never put any product on them. But I do find that with age, my eyes are getting, the eyebrows are just getting really thin and scraggly. So I do like an eyebrow pencil, and this one with its little, looks like mascara, I guess, and or maybe you could use it as mascara, I don't know. I'll let you know if I find out. But looking forward to using that. It's just a nice little sample size, great for travel. And next we have some lip product by Incredible. And this one, I guess it's a matte gloss. It looks very matte color. Let's try this baby on. Like the applicator. I'm looking at you guys to put it on. Yeah, it's an okay color. Not sure if I like the texture of this on my lips. Feels like I've sort of got Elmer's glue on my lips. No taste. I like minty taste in my lip gloss too. This doesn't have anything. What do you think? Is the color good? You know, these contact lenses, I'm extremely nearsighted, so I can't read this right now. From here I can read it, but then the writing's too small. It is what it is. Okay, next we have another skincare product. This is from Erno, see, I can't read it. Lazio. You guys could read it better than I can on the screen, so I'll let you do that. It seems to be a gel consistency. Oh, there we got a plane, guys. Without fail, in all my videos, we get a plane. I'm not gonna cut that out. It wasn't too loud anyway, I think. So this is a gel-like consistency product, and yeah, we'll try it out, let you know. Since 1927, our mission is to give women control over their skin, and through this, the confidence to fulfill their dreams. Well, I don't know if being confident in your skin is the only thing necessary to help you fulfill your dreams, I'll be honest. So yeah, catchphrase loss on that count. Sorry, Urno baby. Okay, finally, la pièce de résistance, mes belles. On a une tube de boob tube. What the heck? I have never seen a product specifically marketed at boobs. Maybe I just have been living under a rock. I don't know. I think it's a catchy name. I don't know if there's any need to have a product specifically geared for the boobs. What do you think? I think I'm gonna use this as a prank gift. There's something for everyone out there. My boobs are fine without this tube of muck on them. No, you know what, that's a bit too harsh. I might try to use it because the whole purpose of getting this box was to try products. If there's some magical formula out there for some products that's gonna make me jump for joy, yeah, I'm open to it. So maybe I will give it a go. So that is it, my friends, for the third box of goodies from Look Fantastic. Bye nada, baby, signing off.